Heard a wise man say, only when we are no longer afraid do we begin to live. No fear, no limits, no excuses. Because where I'm going, fear is not welcome and fear cannot come. Your path to greatness starts with you taking that leap of faith and eliminating and removing all fear. See, I once walked in fear. I was scared of my own shadow. But deep down inside, deep down in my soul, I knew I had a gift that I needed to share with the world. Just like you got something inside of you. But fear is holding you back. You're scared to jump. You're scared to take that leap of faith. I was just like you. And then somebody believed in me more than I believed in myself. And he kept pushing. He kept pushing me. He wouldn't take no for an answer. And I finally caved in. It was one of the most powerful moments in my life. And that's why I'm coming through your speakers right now. I'm pushing you. And I will not take no for an answer. I need you to knock out fear. Right now your fear is bullying you. Right now your fear is holding you hostage. And now is the time for you to stop it. Put your dukes up. And I want you to go toe to toe with fear. Look fear right in the eye and say, you will no longer get the best of me. Because the world needs the best of me. And I have a gift to share with it. But if I don't take that leap of faith, if I don't jump, I lose. And the world loses out. I'm not taking my gift with me to the grave. And you tell fear, my time is now. And you break those shackles, and you break those barriers, and you break down those walls. And you proceed forward. It's time for you to breathe in courage and exhale fear. Get that fear up out of your system. Fear has killed more dreams than failure ever will. Do what scares you until it doesn't. You can't reach the pinnacle. You can't reach the top. You can't go to the next level if you continue to let fear stifle you. It's time for you to stand up to the bully of fear by digging deep. I need you to channel your innermost Muhammad Ali and knock your enemy of fear out. It's all mental. You have to remember, fear is not real. It's a product of the thoughts that you create. And thus, fear is a choice. So today, you can choose to knock fear out of your life and take one giant leap towards the life that you were born to live. This is a great day.